with gentle animal sounds, birds chirping, soft jungle ambience, and light watercolor brush strokes include playful splashes, gentle gurgles, and a calm narration tone saying, "Watch the animals paint beautiful pictures." The lion paints with yellow, the elephant with blue, and the monkey with red. Add sparkly chiming sounds when each color appears, with soft acoustic music continuing throughout, and with happy applause and cheer for animal sounds. Cheerful and creative background music with gentle animal sounds.